Hi everyone, welcome to MLCS Woodworking. My name's David. Today we're going to talk about our track saw system. When you buy our track saw, you will receive 6 18-inch tracks, 2 saw blades, 24 tooth, 60 tooth blades, an edge guide. You receive 2 clamps for your track system, dust collection port, a spacer bar for when you make miter cuts with our saw, and a palm handle. So here we're going to install our blade. We're going to engage the shaft lock, which is on the back side, and we will loosen the hex head and take off one of our washers. Now this is crucial. We want to put the blade in the correct orientation and sandwich it between the 2 washers. As you can see here, one washer goes over the head, and then we put our hex screw back on and tighten it down with the hex key provided with your saw. Now for the tracks, connecting them is very easy. Make sure you put the back side on a flat surface, joining the 2 together using our track connectors that are provided. Once you have the track connector in place, tighten down the screw heads, and you're ready to go. And you can do that with each segment. Position your track so that the rubber is flush with the piece of material you would like to cut, and then clamp down your tracks. The purpose of this initial cut is to remove some of the rubber material on your track system. Adjust the depth of your cut so that the blade is just an 1/8 inch past the bottom of your material. Now we're ready to make our cut. Using the pommel handle, make a slow and steady pass over the rubber strip. You can see we're taking off about an 1/8 inch off this rubber, and now you will be ready to place this on your marks and get a straight cut. When making miter cuts with our track saw, it's important that we use this spacer bar. This will prevent you from cutting into the track and give you a perfect clean cut on your material. And that's our MLCS track saw system, item number 9661, available today at mlcswoodworking.com.